And we are live.
All right, cool.
All right. Ready to get this group meeting started?
Yes, let's do it.
Start.
So, the first question is in an ANOVA hypothesis test, we reject the null hypothesis when there's sufficient evidence to indicate at least one mean is different from the other. That would be true because in the ANOVA, all the nulls are the same. The
All
null
right.
means are the same.
I can agree with that.
All right.
Okay. What requirements need to be checked when performing an ANOVA hypothesis test? Sample means are all positive. Data in each group are normally distributed. Variances are equal in each group. I'm pretty sure. Is it just A?
They all have to be positive.
Let me check. Okay, so there are two requirements of ANOVA that must be checked.
Okay.
Number one, the data are normally distributed in each group,
Mhm.
and two, the variances are equal for each group. So I was wrong.
So B and C.
Yeah.
Okay.
Faith just said, yeah, sorry, I should be there in just a few. Sorry.
Cool.
She
That's
said
cool.
sorry twice.
She must be super sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. So to check if each group is normally distributed, do the following. Construct a scatter plot of the data in each group. Construct a histogram. Construct a QQ plot. And be a scattered plot.
In this lesson, we were kind of doing a lot of QQ plots.
Okay. Now, okay. Remind me what a QQ plot is.
It's kind of like a scatter plot. It looks like a scatter plot does. It's just named differently.
Okay.
Like in the instructions, it was like, do a normal QQ plot. And I was like, I don't know what that is. But I'll do it.
Okay. Okay, you're right. So QQ plots indicate that it is reasonable to conclude if data is normally distributed in each group. So yeah, QQ plots. Okay. So then we assume that the variance in each group is the same if the following happens.
I think it's B.
B, the largest variance is less than 4 times.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not going to be each group. Oh, no, you're right. Never mind. The sample size shouldn't affect it. Okay.
It says QQ plots indicate that it is reasonable to conclude that the data are normally distributed in each group. The largest variance is not 4 times the smallest, so we conclude that the variants are equal for the 3 groups.
Okay. So that's right.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, so number 7. An ANOVA hypothesis test is equivalent to conducting independent two-sample t-tests between every pair of samples. If there are 3 samples, there are 3 pairs. How many pairs are there when there are 4 samples? 4 pairs?
That's what I'm assuming.
Yeah. So if there's 3 samples, there's 3 pairs. 4 samples should. Yeah, because you'd have 1 and 1,
3.
2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4 and 1. No, maybe not actually. So you have 1 and 1, 2 and 1, 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 2 and 4, 2 and 4 and 3 and 4. Would it be 6?
Three samples there. 1 and 2, 1 and 3, and then 2 and 3. So for the next one, you'd have 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, and then 4 and 1, and 4 and 2. And that's it, right?
What about 4 and 4 and 3, right?
Yeah, we got that one.
Oh, you
1
did.
and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 1, 4 and 2. 3 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 6.
There's 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so the soccer shoes data. Okay, so we need SPSS for this one.
Mhm.
Alright, so do you have SPSS up?
I do. Okay, so then it says, and observe that the p-value is 0.0809.
Mm-hmm. And then you remove the socks data.
So, how was the relationship? I mean, as I relationship was very real. Been very honest. I think leading up to this, there's been a lot of hypothetical talk, like what would it look like if I was to step. Well, yeah, I mean that's one of my key questions. What does the future look like?
Oh wait.
She is looking for somebody to do that. Sure. That's what I would want. Obviously, you know, two amazing.
He goes, do you have that you want to say?
I'm sitting there today.
I was like, can we meet today? And I was like, no, I'm
I had a lot of fun.
So I met
There's
with
a big
you
difference
earlier.
between
So where are you guys at in the quiz?
children in your life actually.
Oh, Faith, you're finally here.
Hey!
I'm sorry,
We're on
that was a
question
day
8.
at work.
Oh,
Okay,
you're good.
We are on question 8.
okay, sounds good.
So good to see you.
Good to see you guys too. Sorry.
It's okay.
How you guys doing on the quiz so far? How you
Pretty good, I
feeling?
think.
Good? Yeah,
That's
it
good.
hasn't been too bad.
Yeah.
Good.
So number 3, we got true.
Oh, it's okay. I'll go back. You don't have to go back. Don't worry about
Okay.
it.
So we're on 8, and it says, and observe that the p-value is 0.0809, and then you remove the SOX data. And what is the p-value?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Charlie and Kinsley are two of the most lovable little girls I've ever been with. And I can picture myself being a part of this future. So once upon a time, in the city of Los Angeles, a boy named Ben. Who's Ben?
Okay, so this is like
Me, Matt, Mommy. Who's Mommy?
coming into today, I was already starting to feel like I was in bed. But after today, I feel like I am in love.
So I forgot how you would take out the SOX value.
One second. Sorry, trying to pull it up.
Let me see.
Hey, who's there? Thank you. They're awesome. Thank you.
Can you not just delete the column?
Is there a way to select like which columns you're using?
Probably.
Um,
The reality is there are 3 other girls that are
Lauren just really invested really quickly. I still have a lot of doubts. How do you will for that long?
and later. We're really attached. Yeah. My brother and I are protective of our sisters, and I'd love to say this guy that's terrific, but I just can't say that.
um,
Hmm.
Expect great savings and a whole lot.
I'm not
Well-
seeing in the instructions anything
yeah.
that tells you how to get rid of a column.
Huh. Let's try. So it's socks data. Which data is that again that we're looking at?
Soccer shoes?
Soccer shoes? Okay.
Yeah.
Are they still married? Wow, that's awesome.
They like this season I watched they did a special on their wedding.
Well, I guess you could specify which. You know how you have to do the like automatic recode?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I guess you could specify which one of those that you're like using. So you could just leave out like number 5 if that's the category. I don't know if that made any sense. Let me see if that's actually possible. And then I'll say it again.
And then also introduce men to my family and take him to the house that I grew up in.
Because I know there was like this thing where you were supposed to put in like a 1 and a 2 last week, but I think that was just like for comparing 2 together.
Yeah. But like this one, you did the same basic concept. You just didn't have to define like which ones to use because it automatically uses all of them.
Uh-huh.
So I'm just wondering if this time you can just tell it to not use all of them and just use the ones that you want it to use.
It just
Can you
like
really not like just delete a column?
You probably could.
But then like if you need it later, like
You can't get it back.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Mm.
Let's see if we can do.
Okay.
I love hearing The Bachelor in the background.
Can you hear really well?
Yeah.
Yeah. It just sucks you right in.
I'm not even there and I'm listening to it.
Do you feel like all the girls say the exact same thing? Because I feel like they do.
Yep.
Yeah.
eating amazing food, but there's one more place that I want to take Ben to, and I have a feeling
Okay.
he's gonna really enjoy
Let's
it.
try.
This is odd. I don't really know how to work it.
I
Yeah.
say just try and delete one, and then if you need to pull it back up, you can
Okay.
reopen it.
I'll just delete stocks then.
Okay.
I could sit in a room with Ben and not speak a word and feel more fulfilled and more content than in any other situation I've ever felt in my entire life.
One, thank you for being in Portland, and thank you for
Okay.
speed.
So then we go.
Personality with all your concerns and all the things that are on your mind. Leave this home. I was nervous. Head out. All great.
Today has been absolutely amazing. I couldn't have asked for a better day, but we still have one more big thing ahead of us, which is Ben meeting my family. Honestly, I'm so excited for meeting my family, but that's one of I haven't heard of my family, so it is.
Is it working?
What scares you?
Just
Not yet.
I want to tell him that I'm in love with him so badly, but my family is such a huge part of who I am, and for Ben to get there was so important in order for me to tell him that. If my family was approval, I don't know if I could move forward in a relationship with Ben. I definitely feels like all or nothing.
I don't see where it says the p-value though.
Yeah.
Do you know how to find that, Faith?
Not really. That's what I was just looking at.
You know how to do that, Brad?
Is it different this time than what we normally have done?
It
Or you just
shows
get
up as
the-
different material this time.
So if you go to the analyze and then descriptive statistics and explore, it doesn't give it to you.
No, I see a standard deviation or mean or n, but I don't see any p-value.
I feel like I remember the p-value being
It's here.
what's it giving you for the standard error?
We have 0.550 with all the data.
Okay. And even with the SOX data in there, did you not get the 0.0809?
Yeah, I don't see it.
I remember in the
I
last
don't see it either.
In the last one, it was like p-value was, so it had a different name.
Because it talks about it in the reading, but it doesn't say how to find it.
Yeah.
And it seems like it should just be there. I don't know why. Because they give us the F statistic, but they didn't give us the.
So.
Oh wait, is that the? On the second table,
Uh-huh.
your sig, is that it?
I think so. That's what I was just looking at too.
Does it give you the 0.0809 if you do it with the socks?
Yeah, because it gives us 0.081. Let me try and
That
do it
would
up.
so that'd be
Yeah.
it then.
And
Yeah.
I like deleted the socks one,
Yeah.
and it says point 0.309.
0.309.
Okay.
Okay. That's got to be it if it says 0.81.
Yeah, for sure. Okay. Sorry, what was that number again?
0.309.
Yeah. 0.309.
Okay. And then for 9, the p-value always goes up when only one group is removed. True?
Uh-huh. Because, like, the less samples that you have, the bigger the p-value is.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. What is the highest p-value you see when removing only one group? Awesome.
So you got to do
God.
this each time now with each one.
Yep.
Uh-huh. So remember the 0.309.
Okay, do you want me to start from the bottom? So I'll start deleting like E to D, and then you start doing A and B, and then we'll kind of meet in the middle. That way we get
Okay.
it done faster.
Yeah. I'm gonna close this one then because it doesn't have socks anymore.
Okay.
He's gonna cry. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I just deleted A,
Mhm.
and the p-value is 0.060.
Okay. And I'm almost done with this one.
Wait, 0.060?
0.060, yep.
So that's still smaller than the 0.309, right?
Yeah.
Okay, for deleting E, I got 0.50.
Okay.
Or 0.050, sorry.
Okay, so when you delete B, it's 0.052.
So Sox are still winning, right?
Yeah.
Are we sure the Sox is 0.309 or was it 0.0309?
It was 0.39. 309.
Okay.
0.309.
Okay.
Okay, with deleting E or D, it's 0.31.
Okay.
I'll delete C right now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's been like 7 weeks. This is week 8. Well, that's how long it is so far. It's well, the thing that I read online said the total 6 weeks. Like every single one of those.
Okay, when we delete C, you get 0.448.
Alright.
Nice. Okay. So that one wins.
Yep.
Cool. And so our variance that we're looking for is our F value right now, right?
Yes.
Is that right? Our F distribution.
Wait, what was that?
So for the next one, let's ask him what is our minimum smallest variance? Is that the F?
I think F is the test statistic, so it'd be like the T value or the Z value.
Mm-hmm.
So isn't variance another number?
Mm-hmm.
I could totally be wrong, but I'm not sure. Because I think in the output it gives you like a value for the variance. Ooh, let's check though. What do you think, Kimberly?
Where are we at?
Is that number 11? Sorry, not sure.
What is the smallest variance?
Yeah.
So,
Is it the F value or is that something else?
I thought that was the F value.
Huh?
Yeah.
Maybe that is.
Okay, the variance is the square of the standard deviation.
Mm-hmm.
The sample deviation is denoted by the symbol S squared. So you take all of these standard deviations and you square them?
Will it not just give you S squared?
So the biggest standard deviation is D, right?
With all of them, isn't it? Oh yeah, it's D.
Okay.
But isn't it asking for the minimum in this one?
Yeah, it's asking. Well, we got to do both of them.
Yeah.
So the smallest one would be A.
What is the variance?
The standard deviation is 5.230.
Okay. and that squared is 27.353.
Okay. Okay. And then the largest one is 7.291.
Okay, and that squared is 53.159.
Okay, perfect.
So it has to be at least like within 4 times of each other, right?
Mhm.
Yes.
So like if they're that close, it means that it is satisfied for these data. True.
Yes.
So that one's true.
Yeah.
Okay. So if we did that, right? So 27 times 4.
Construct a QQ
Yeah.
plot for these things.
Okay. So let's make a bunch of QQ plots. Yay. Okay, do you want me to start at the bottom again and you do top?
I think like when you do like the descriptive thing, descriptive statistics, and then like the explore thing, it'll give you all of them at the same time.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. B looks pretty odd. And so does E.
So you went into descriptive statistics and then just explore?
Yeah, so you go to descriptive statistics, and then, hold on, let me pull it up. Oh yeah, okay, so analyze, descriptive statistics, explore, and then you put the dependent is the kicking accuracy, the factor list is the footwear,
Oh,
and then you
okay.
go to plots, and you say normality plots with tests, continue,
Okay.
and then in the statistics you have descriptives, continue, and then you push OK and it'll plot it for you.
Oh, perfect.
And you want like the normal ones because there's also these things called like it trended normal, and you don't want those.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. So yeah, B has quite a bit of curve to it.
So they're not looking
Yeah.
like they're normal.
So it's like A and B and E all look kind of odd.
Yeah. So false. There you go.
It's to the right of the F statistic, right?
Uh-huh. Because all of those plots are right skewed, so it has to be the right tail.
Okay.
So it's to the right or to the left?
It's to the right.
Right.
To the right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool.
Alright, so we're gonna submit this.
Okay, go for it. Let me go back and finish the other ones.
Ooh, ouch. I got an 82.
Mm,
Okay,
What did we get
so,
wrong?
hey Faith, on number 9, it's
Uh-huh.
actually false.
How is that false?
I have no idea.
and how are they not approximately, or all of them are approximately normal?
That's weird. Yeah, and then 14 is true.
Okay.
And then we got 11 wrong.
Okay. Huh. Well, I guess maybe those QQ plots just weren't as curved as they needed to be to not be normal.
I
Yeah.
guess so.
Hmm.
Dang.
And I guess on number 9, that kind of makes sense because we took out groups, and some of them were a lot smaller.
Right.
So I guess that makes sense on that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll get an awesome grade, Faith.
Yeah.
We'll see. I still have to finish the other ones, so. But, well, good luck, guys, and
Alright, cool.
Thanks.
we'll see you Thursday.
Yep, see ya.
Alright. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.